Today we are beginning our graphing unit. Please copy down the standard benchmark indicator on a clean page in your math notebook. The student will find the range, mode, and median of a set of data. Range, mode, and median. You can use data to find the range, mode, and median. The range is the difference between the least and the greatest numbers. If we look to the right at our line plot titled Price of Portable Stereos, we can see the price ranges from $125 all the way down to $25. So the greatest price, $125, minus the least price, $25, gets us $100. So there is a range of $100. The mode is the number that occurs the most. If we look at the line plot, there are 4 X's on top of the 40, so the 40 occurs more often than any other number. This number is the mode. You can have more than one mode. If there are a couple numbers that are tied, then they are all the mode. You can have 3 or 4 or more. If all of the numbers are tied and they're all exactly the same, you don't have a mode because they're all the same. The median is the number that is exactly in the middle when the data is arranged in order from least to greatest. You have to put it in order before you can find out the median. So here they took all the X's, turned them into numbers, and lined them up from least to greatest. So you cross off numbers on either side until you find the middle. So you cross off the 25 and the 125. Then a 40 and a 100, another 40 and a 100, a 40 and a 75, another 40 and 75, and then we're left with exactly one number in the middle. So the median for this set of data is $75. If there is an even number of data items, the median is exactly halfway between the two middle numbers. In this case, you add the two middle numbers and then divide by 2 to get the median. Use the line plot to answer questions 1 to 3. Hours spent reading over the weekend. And we can see the students read anywhere from 0 hours to 4 hours over the weekend. So the range is the greatest minus the least. So our greatest is 4 and 0 is our least. In this case, it is a data point because it has 2 X's on top of it. So we have to use it as our smallest data point. So 4 minus 0 gets us 4 for the range. For the mode, we look at which one of the numbers has the most X's on top of it. And we can see that's the number 1. So more students spent reading 1 hour than any other time frame. So the mode is 1. Then for the median, what we need to do is write our numbers out from least to greatest. So we're going to write out 2 zeros, 6 ones, 4 twos, 3 threes, and 2 fours to represent all the data points we have. Now we're going to go through and cross off the numbers in pairs, so 1 at the beginning and 1 at the end for each pair until we're left with either 1 or 2 numbers in the middle. And as we go through and we cross the numbers off in pairs there, we're left with 1 number in the middle. So 2 is our median. It is the number exactly in the middle of the data points. Please make sure you have all of the work copied down and glue this page in your math notebook.